Oh, sweet Jesus. Okay. That happened a lot faster than I intended to. Okay, so, I'm gonna play something. I don't know what. Holy shit. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really nervous. I'm gonna say really, really bad words. If you're under 18, put on your big boy panties. Okay, I think I'm gonna play, Maxwell's Silver Hammer, because I don't have to think about it too hard. Alright, here we go. I'm so nervous. I'm gonna screw this up, but it's okay. I'm so nervous I'm gonna screw it up. Okay, here we go. It's not that funny. Okay. John West quizzical, study pataphysical, science in the house. Late nights all alone with a test tube Joe. Oh, oh, oh. Maxwell Edison, majoring in medicine, called her on the phone. Can I take you out to the pictures, Joe? Oh, oh, oh. But as she's getting ready to go, a knock comes on the door. Bang, bang, Maxwell Silver. I'm so fucking nervous. Okay. Bang, bang, Maxwell Silver Hammer came down on her head. Bang, bang, Maxwell Silver Hammer made sure she was dead. Back in school again, I'm so nervous. Back in school again. Maxwell plays the fool again. Teacher gets annoyed, wanting to avoid an unpleasant scene. She tells Max to say when the class is gone away, so she makes behind. Thanks, Russell. I really appreciate that. It's not gonna help, but thanks. Back in school again. Maxwell plays fool again. Teacher gets annoyed, wishing to avoid an unpleasant scene. She tells Max to stay when the class is gone away, so she waits behind. Writing 50 times, I must not be so. But as the word, when she turns her back on the boy, he creeps up from behind. Bang, bang, Maxwell Silver Hammer made. I'm so nervous. Bang, bang, Maxwell Silver Hammer made sure she was dead. Oh, fuck, I'm so nervous. You have no idea how nervous I am. Can I try this again? Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate it. I have like really, really, really deep fear of singing in front of people, so I really appreciate all the nice comments and all that good stuff. I feel like I need to take a breather and try it all over again in maybe like 5 minutes. Can I do that? I will. I'll come back. I swear I'll come back.